Welcome back sa ating FB page na Review with Leonalyn at sa ating YouTube channel na Solving Math with Leonalyn. So ngayon, dito na tayo sa karugtong na age problem and I just hope na napanood nyo yung previous na video natin. A mother is currently 3 times as old as her daughter. In 12 years, the mother will be twice as old as her daughter. How old is the daughter? Sa actual na exam, oras yung kalaban nyo. So, pwede natin siyang agad-agad gawan ng equation. 3 times as old as her daughter. 3 times, let H para sa edad ni daughter. In 12 years, ada natin ito ng 12 para maging equal sa in 12 years na binanggit dito. The mother will be twice as old as her daughter. So, kung let H para sa edad ni daughter, now, in 12 years, yung edad ni daughter ay H plus 12. Ito na yung equation sa problem na ito para ma-solve natin yung edad ni daughter now. Pero, para sa detalye nito, mamaya na natin yung i-solve kasi dyan pa rin naman tayo pupunta sa ating detalyeng solusyon ngayon. A mother is currently 3 times. So, meron tayong mother, 3 times as old as her daughter. So, meron tayong daughter. Yung now nila, kapag sinabing 3 times as old as her daughter, let H para sa edad ni daughter. Itong 3 times, that is 3 times dito sa edad ni daughter. In 12 years, the mother will be twice as old as her daughter. Si daughter ay H yung edad niya ngayon. In 12 years, kung ilan man yung edad ni daughter, adan natin ng 12. Kapag twice as old, twice daw dito sa edad ni daughter. Ang gawan natin ng equation, dito muna tayo, i-explain ko muna. Halimbawa, 20 years old siya ngayon. In 12 years, magiging 32. Para maging equal itong dalawa, it's either add natin ito ng 12, so 32 equals 32, or minusan natin ito ng 12 para 20 equals 20. Isa pang example, kung ito ay 40, malamang ito ay 52. Para maging equal yung dalawa, add natin ng 12, so pareho na silang 52. Or, minusan natin ng 12 itong si 52 para pareho na siyang 40. Ganito tayo mag-equate. Equal, pareho sila. So ngayon, doon tayo kay mother. Si mother ay 3H ngayon. Ito yon, 3H. Si mother in 12 years ay i-solve na natin ito. Bali, 2 times H. This is 2H. 2 times 12. This is 24. So, plus 24. So, ito yung edad ni mother in 12 years. Paano to? Para maging equal. So, para maging equal, either mag-minus tayo ng 12 dito or mag-add tayo ng 12 para maging equal. So, yung equation natin ngayon ay 3H plus 12 equals 2H plus 24. Ito na yung equation kung saan pwede natin isolve yung value ni H. Again, ito ay pwedeng naka-minus sa kabila. Anyway, ganun pa rin naman ang gagawin natin. Ipagsama ang mga like terms. Mas marami yung 3H kaya ni 2H. So, siya yung i-keep natin si 3H. Itong si 2H, since pang-add, pang-minus siya dito sa kabila, minus 2H. Since si 12 ay pang-add, kapag ma-transfer, di pang-minus pa rin. 24 minus 12, and this is 12. 3H minus 2H, H na lang. So, H equals 12. Ang edad ni daughter ngayon ay 12. Kasi let H para sa edad ni daughter ngayon. So, ito na yung sagot. Another way, meron tayong tinatawag na trial and error. Yung nasa choices, since yung tanong how old is the daughter now, therefore, yung lahat ng mga nasa choices, yan yung edad ni daughter. So, dito tayo sa now, si mother, and then in 12 years. Yung nasa choices, letter A, 12 daw si daughter. So, yung now natin 3 times as old as her daughter, so 3 times 12, that's 36. Si mother in 12 years will be 36 plus 12, this is 48. Si daughter in 12 years, magiging 24. Diba ang nandito? In 12 years, the mother will be twice as old as her daughter. 24 times 2, that's 48. In other words, tama yung sagot natin na 12. What if si 12 ay nasa choice letter E? So, ganito, halimbawa 14. Ang 14, 3 times as old as her daughter. So, 3 times 14, or 14 times 3, this is 12, carry 1, 42. In 12 years, si mother ay 54. 14 plus 12, this is 26. Twice dito sa 26 ay, ilan man yan? 12, carry 1, 52. Hindi man siya 54. So, mali na itong 14. Ito yung trial and error. Ngayon, example, 15. 3 times daw dyan, 45. 45 plus 12, this is 57. Si 15 plus 12, this is 27. Now, obviously, kung i-multiply natin ito ng 2 si 27, hindi yan siya 57. That's 54. So, mali din ito. And so on. So, anyway, I just hope na meron kayong natutunan sa video ito. Thank you and God bless.